P is probability of failure and n minus x is number of failure. And expected or mean value ex equal to np. This mean and this called mu. Variance bx equal to np 1 minus p. That's all, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. So let's see one problem. It has been stated that about 41% of adult workers have a high school diploma. Okay, so what percent of adult workers have high school diploma? What percent? What percent?
41%.
41%.
41%.
Very good. So 41% workers have high school diploma. Okay. If 20 adult workers are randomly selected, how many workers were randomly selected?
20 adults worker.
Randomly means what? Randomly means the chance of selection of each element from the population is same. I repeat. Random means the chance of selection of each element in the population is same. That is called random. Clear? That is called what? That is called random. Okay. Okay. Then the question. So before that, you can say, so whenever 20 adults were selected randomly, so my question to all of you, so number of trials are how many? Number of trials are how many in this problem? Number of trials are how many? So how many adults were selected?
20.
20. So number of trials are n equal to what? Hello. Number of
20.
n equal to 20. Okay. So whenever randomly selected 20 adults, okay, so what are the outcomes for first sample or first adult? How many outcomes? 2 outcomes. How many outcomes?
2 outcomes.
2 outcomes. What are the outcomes? One outcome, whether adult has high school diploma or adult has no high school diploma. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
How
sir.
many outcomes? 2 outcomes.
2 outcomes.
Whether adult has high school diploma or adult has not high school
High school diploma.
Then similarly, if you take second adult, you will get exactly 2 outcomes. What are the outcomes? Whether adult has high school diploma or adult has not high school diploma. Similarly, for third adult, you will get 2 outcomes. Fourth adult, you will get exactly 2 outcomes. Okay. So from this problem, we are looking that number of trials n equal to 20, that is fixed, as well as independent, and each trial has exactly 2 outcomes. My question to all of you, this data follows which distribution? Which distribution? Which distribution?
Discrete distribution.
Obviously discrete, but which distribution? When a distribution follows binomial, yesterday discussed. When a distribution follows binomial,
Trials n are fixed and independent.
independent. Then second, what is second question or second condition or assumption?
Exactly 2 outcomes.
2 outcomes. In this problem, each trial has how many outcomes?
2 outcomes.
2 outcomes. What are the outcomes?
Success and failure.
What is success or what are the outcomes? As I said just now, what are the outcomes? Whether adult has high school diploma or adult has not
high school diploma.
2 outcomes. Okay. So the distribution follows binomial. That means X is binomial variate, binomial, B-I-N, bino. Okay, binomial distribution with parameters N and P. So how many parameters of binomial distribution? How many? How many parameters? Two parameters. So please respond. How many parameters of binomial distribution?
Two parameters.
Two parameters. One is N, another one is P. So N equal to what? 20. N equal to 20. P equal to what? 0.41. Okay. 0.41. So X is a random variable that follows binomial distribution with parameters N and P. That means 20, 0.41. Okay. So what is your X? What is X of binomial distribution? What is X?
Number of success.
Number of success.
Very good.
Mean
Very good. Number of success. Now question, what is success and what is failure? Last time I said that success means that is your interest of study. Success means what? That is your interest of study. So what is our interest of study? Our interest of study, whether what? The chance or probability that adult has high school diploma or not. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes.
yes,
Okay.
sir.
So X equal to what? X means number of success. X means what? Number of what?
Success.
Success. Number of. So success means adult,
Has high school diploma.
yeah, has diploma. I'm writing shortly. Diploma. Okay, diploma. So what is failure? What is failure? What is failure? Failure means
Not interest of study.
adult, okay. What has no diploma?
Has not diploma. Yes, sir.
Okay, that is number of what? Failures. Number of success. Number of failures. Number of success into trial. So trial means what? How many trials are here? How many trials? How many trials? How many trials?
20, 20, sir.
Number of trials are how many? Number of trials are 20, right? Number of, I don't know why you have no response. Number of trials are how many? Hello.
20, sir.
Only one student response, but what about? Please turn on your video. I don't know why you are not opening your video. Everybody, please.
Sir,
turn
anyone
on-
microphone is open. That's why problem.
What about rest of the students? Please turn on your video. I said that I will take your class from, okay, from Google Meet platform. Okay, inshallah. Okay. So then what is the limit of binomial distribution? What is the limit of binomial distribution?
0, 1, 2, up to n.
0, 1, 2, 3. Then what is our upper limit?
20.
Upper limit is what? 20. Up to what? Comma 20.
20.
This is the limit or limits of binomial distribution. Okay. Then read the question. Read the question from here. Here.
Find the probability that at most 12 of them have a high school diploma,
High school diploma.
Okay.
but
you
do
can-
not.
just
But
stop here. Please stop here. So what is the
Yes, sir.
question? First question. Find the
find the probability that at most 12 of them have a high school diploma.
yeah, at least at most 12. At most 12 means maximum 12. Yes or no? At most 12 means what?
Maximum
Maximum 12.
Maximum 12 or not more than 12. Okay? Maximum 12 or not more than 12 or at least 12 or at best 12. Okay? Any one of the way you can explain. Most or at best or not more than or not maximum. Okay? So what is the question? calculate the probability that person or adult has sorry, what is the question? At least
At
sorry,
most 12.
at most 12 adults have what? 12 have what? Diploma, right? Yes or no? Diploma.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so
Have
how can we
diploma.
get this one? So mathematically we can write probability of x. What is our x variable name? What is the x variable
Number
name?
of success. Here
What is the x variable name? Number of success in each trial. Please read number of success in each trial. That is called x. X is less than or equal to 12. Clear? Did you get my point or not? At most 12. You understood? You
Yes, sir.
understood or not? Okay.
is
X less than 12 means what? Probability X starts from here. So please look from previous slide. X starts from where?
0,
0.
0,
X starts from 0. X equal to 0 plus. So X takes the value either 0 or what? 1 or 2 or what? Hello?
3,
3 plus up to plus
Up
up to
to
12.
X equal to 12. Clear? This. Any question regarding this? Any question regarding this third line?
No, sir.
No. Okay. Then we'll have to calculate the probability for x equal to 0. First, calculate the probability for x equal to 0. Can you tell me what is the formula of probability distribution for binomial? What is the formula? What is the formula of binomial distribution? Yesterday I discussed. NCX.
Sir, P of
Equal to
x
n
equal
factorial by
NCx
x
1 minus
p to the
factorial
power x
n
into
minus
1
x.
minus 3 whole to the
x.
power n minus x.
Okay, down you should calculate probability for first for x equal to 0. X equal to 0. So whenever x equal to 0, what is the probability? N equal to 20, right? So 20 C x is x equal to what? 0.
0.
Then p to the power x. P equal to what? P equal to what?
0.41.
0.41.
0.41.
X is what? 0.
0.
Times
0,
1 minus p. 0.41 to the power. Okay, n minus x. N is what? 20.
20
20
minus
minus
0.
0.
You understood? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So what about second?
Hello, sir. At that time I have disconnected.
Okay, what is your question? This is binomial distribution formula, right? Okay. So you can see previous one. You can see this one. We'll have to calculate the probability. What? At most 12 have diploma. That's why we are writing probability of x less than or equal to 12. Okay. So less than or equal to 12 means x takes the value 0, 1, 2 up to 12. Okay. For different values of x, you'll have to calculate the probability. So whenever x equal to 0, the probability is this one. Whenever x equal to 1, what is the probability? Now you understood or not? Did you get my point or not? Hello.
Sir, the value of p means sir 0.41. That was my question.
P equal to 0.41. You can see from here because 41% have diploma. Okay. From the question, we can see probability or proportion or percent, that equal to 41%. 41% means 0.41. Clear? Hello? Why no response?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay. Whatever you understood, please respond whether you understood or not. Okay. Then let's
Okay,
see.
sir.
Then next one, whenever x equal to 1, so we want to calculate the probability for x equal to 0, x equal to 1. So whenever x equal to 1, what is the probability? NCX p to the power x equal to 1. 1 minus 0.41 to the power n minus x, n equal to
20 minus 1.
minus 1. So can you proceed like this way? You can proceed or you cannot proceed.
Yes, sir.
Sir, we
We can.
calculate up to 12.
Yeah, up to 12. Oh, yeah, up to 12. Okay. b to the power x 0.41 to the power 12. 1 minus 0.41 to the power 20 minus 12. Okay. In this way, you have to calculate. Everybody, please calculate this one and send me after class. But you calculate first one. I want to see whether you are able to calculate or not. Only first part you calculate. This one. Please calculate. I want to say this one. And rest of the thing we'll have to calculate after class. So please calculate 20C0 this then that. Are you calculating? Have you done? Only one, only first one. Anyone who have done?
Sir, is it 2.61 into 10 to the power minus 5?
Anyone who have done first one? Anyone who have done?
Sir, is it 2.61 into 10 to the
Sorry,
power minus 5?
what you got?
2.61.
2 point.
2.61 into 10 to the power minus 5.
Sir, is it 1.00026
No,
1?
probability never ever greater than 1. Probability is always less than 1. Your calculation mistake. Very
Sir,
simple calculation.
sir, in my side it's 1.
20C0. 20C0 means what? 1. Then 0.41 to the 0. 1. I don't
Yes,
know
sir.
why you are taking too much time. 1 minus 0.41.
Point
That
zero
means
zero zero zero
0.59
two seven.
for 20. That's it. You just
Sir, 0.
need only maximum one. Sorry?
Sir,
What is that?
0.00027.
Point
0.0000027.
007 like this. Okay. And please
27.
calculate rest of the things after class, not now. Okay? Okay. Then you can check also with this. Your result is, final result is 0.9738. I'm sending. Okay? I am sending the result through chat box. You can see. Okay, this is your result 0.9738. Okay. The next question. So question B. Calculate the probability that at least two adults have diploma. At least two means what? Maximum. At least two means what? Hello.
Sir, your voice was
At
broken.
least two means what? At least two means maximum.
Maximum 2.
Maximum two. Maximum two means greater than or equal to two. At least. Okay. At least two. At least two or maximum two or okay or not less than two. Same. At least or maximum. Sorry, minimum. Minimum or not less than. All are the same. Okay. So please write one formula. Probability of x equal to 1. Okay. So probability of x greater than or equal to a plus probability of x less than or equal to 1. Total probability is always 1. Okay. Okay. So we can apply this formula. Y x
Sir,
greater than
your
or
voice
equal
is
to 2
buffering.
means
Sir, at least
x
two have
greater
that
than or equal to 2 diploma.
okay.
So greater than 2 means what? X equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 until 12. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello. So please respond. Okay. So this is very complicated. Time consuming. That's why we are applying this formula. Okay. So please apply this formula. The probability of x greater than or equal to a plus probability of x less than or equal to 1. If we apply this formula, we can write 1 minus probability of x less than 2. Clear? Okay. X less than 2. So x less than 2 means what? X less than 2 means what? What is the value of x?
1.
Why value of x? So 1. X equal to 0,
0, 1, 2.
2,
0, 1.
3, up to what? 20. Sorry, 20. Yeah.
Sir,
Up
up to
to
2.
Yes, up to 2.
up to 20. But here x less than 2. X less than means what? X take the value 0 or 1. Clear?
Yes, sir.
X
Yes.
less than 2
Yes,
means
sir.
what? X
0,
takes the
1.
value 0, 1. Clear? Okay, that means this equal to probability, sorry, 1 minus probability of x equal to 0 plus probability of x equal to 1. Clear? Did you understand or not?
Sir, not.
You understood? Any confusion? So please look previous slide. Look this one. Look
Sir,
this
can
one.
you show the previous slide, sir?
This one or previous one? This one.
Sir, just,
Next
no,
one,
sir.
sir.
Which one?
Sir, just now you have written, sir. That slide, sir.
The latest one. Okay, this one. Yeah.
No,
Okay.
sir. X equals 0, 1, 2, 3. Then you have right. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That is it.
Okay. So How can you get the probability? 1 minus. How can you calculate the probability for x equal to 0? You already calculated. Okay, you already have done.
Is it beta in the upper?
What is beta?
Sir, what is
Nothing
this?
else.
Okay,
This
sir.
is just a plot.
Okay, done. So now can you calculate probability for x equal to 1? You can calculate or not?
Yes, sir, we can calculate.
Calculate. Everybody calculate. 20 C 1 p to the power x x equal to what? Then what? 1 minus.
Sir. Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I
Yes, I can hear
cannot
you.
understand this. This page I cannot understand, sir, for net problem.
So who understood?
Sir, your voice was broken.
Who understood? Zakia, you understood or not?
Sir, I understood, sir.
Okay, so what? So can you explain, please?
Yes,
This
sir.
one.
Okay. Here, P of at least 2 have diploma. That means the minimum. That means P of x greater than or equal to. And we know a formula P of x greater than or equal A plus P of x less than A equal 1. And by this formula,
One.
we can get 1 minus P of x less than 2. And now the range of x we know 0, 1, 2 up to 20. So x less than 2, that means the range will be 0 and 1. So after that line 1 minus p of x equals 0 plus p of x equal 1. Now we need to calculate p of 0 and p of 1. Then we need to add, and after that 1 minus that result.
Okay. Now can you
Sir.
calculate this one? Yes.
Sir, why here 20 C1 add
20 n equal to what? NCX. What is the formula of binomial distribution? Can you see the formula of binomial
NCX?
distribution? Read.
Sir,
Yeah.
why here add this, sir? My question is,
What is your question? What is your question?
sir, question কি চাইছিল? সেটা
Sorry?
মানে
Sir,
আমি ভালো করে
her
খুঁজে
question is,
বুঝতেছি না।
sir, p of x less than 2 and then p of x equals 0 plus p of x equal 1.
Formula.
These two lines means.
This one. This one. Hello.
No, sir, this is understand, sir. I say this, sir, was 20 C1 here, sir. Here
this one.
I add this.
Sir, I think the question is why we adding p of x equals 0 plus p of x equal 1. I think, sir.
Why we
No,
are
sir,
adding?
no, sir. No, sir, sir, this one not.
I don't
Sir,
know.
sir,
Please
hello, sir.
your question
Sir, I cannot hear you
so
properly,
that
sir.
I can give answer specifically. Okay, what is your question? Please specify. I'm
Sir,
saying
your
that
network
Sir,
specify
is
your
here
poor.
question.
1
Why are you
minus,
not?
sir, I say please. 1 minus third bracket and first bracket plus 20 C1 and 0.41. মানে এই লাইনটা কেন খুশি স্যার এটা আমি বুঝি নাই শুনতে পাই নাই
Okay,
ঠিক
what is
মতো
the formula of binomial distribution? Can you see NCX p to the power
স্যার
x?
n
Yeah.
x 1 minus p to the power n minus x.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Now you
But
understood.
First is স্যার সেকেন্ড পেজ প্লিজ, মানে
This one.
no, স্যার মানে মাত্র যেটা থেকে আসলেন স্যার, একদম ফার্স্টেরটা।
This one.
স্যার একদম ফার্স্টেরটা।
This one. This one is the first.
আই মিন মানে স্যার মাত্র যেটা আমরা করছিলাম, যেখানে কোশ্চেন করছিলাম সেখানে।
স্যার ওই যে x equal 0 plus p probability
one.
of x equal 1.
Yes sir. Sir,
This is
we know
last
যে
one. Why
sir
you are saying
binomial
last
distribution
one? This is
equal to,
last one.
hello sir,
Yeah.
we
Okay.
know যে binomial distribution equal to ncx px এটা জানি, বাট এর সামনে যে আমরা 1 মাইনাস থার্ড ব্র্যাকেট দিয়ে যে
For n minus x. 1 minus p to the power n minus x. Okay.
যেটা ফার্স্টে নিয়ে আসছি,
What is the formula of binomial distribution? Tell me.
sir ncx p to the power x 1 minus p to the power n minus x.
Yeah. So what is the probability of x equal to 1? Tell me. Probability
Sir,
of x equal to 1.
স্যার আমার
NCx
কোশ্চেনটা বুঝেন নাই স্যার।
20 C1. P equal to what? 0.41. P to the power x. X is 1. 1 minus p to the power what? N minus x. That's it. Okay. Okay.
স্যার আমি
So
এটা বলি নাই স্যার।
so who
আমরা যে
understood that question?
স্যার আমরা যে মানে এই যে এই ফর্মুলাটার সাথে সামনে 1 মাইনাস পি দিয়ে থার্ড ব্র্যাকেট, এই যে দি স্যার এটা 1 মাইনাস থার্ড ব্র্যাকেট দিয়ে ওটা যোগ করলাম, ওইটা কি স্যার এর সামনে?
You see, we applied this formula. Okay. We applied the formula. This one. This formula. This one. Probability of x greater than or equal to a plus probability of x less than a equal to 1.
স্যার বুঝতে
we are
পারছি,
applying-
এখানে স্যার এট লিস্ট স্যার 2 যে বলছে ওইটার সাথে স্যার আমরা বাইনোমিয়াল ইয়ার জন্য এভাবে করছি।
Yes. No Bengali, speak in English. Now you understood.
ইয়েস স্যার।
Okay. So next question.
Sir, the answer of number of B question minus 20.0001815.
Why minus? Probability never ever be minus. Okay. Probability must be positive. I think
Sir, P
you
of x
calculated
equal
this
1,
way.
the result is 20.00001815.
So please check it. Please check it. I think you will get correct answer 1 minus P for x equal to 0 plus you should write down the probability for x equal to 1. Okay. These two things there. Then 1 minus this minus that. Then you will get your result that equal to convert into percentage. That's it. What did you get my point or not?
No, sir. Sir, can you repeat, sir, again? Last part, sir.
Probability of x equal to 0 you will get here, right?
Yes, sir.
Then probability of x equal to 1 you will get there.
Yes, sir. And after that, we need to
Like
add
that.
and then subtract from 1.
Yeah. Okay.
So
Subtract
then we
from-
need to
from
calculate
1.
percentage.
Sir,
Yeah,
what
but-
will be the C1, sir? What is the man of C1?
What is the formula? What is the question?
Sir, what is the C, sir?
C means combination.
Yes,
C
sir.
means
But sir, what value we have to put, sir, in C, sir?
No. 20 C1 you will get from calculator. 20 C1 how you will get 20 C1 means what? You should use scientific computer. 20 shift. Okay. 20 shift.
Okay,
what
sir.
n
Now
is
I
here? NCR, then 1. Okay, then you will get the value.
Sir, my
I have
result is still showing, sir,
Okay,
20.401.1815.
20C1 means what? First,
I triple check, sir.
so 20C1 means 20. You can check also. Do you know how to use calculator? 20 shift NCR, then 1, then we will get 20C1. I think 20C1 means 20.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So 20C1 means what? 20C1 means 20. Okay. Did you understand? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Okay. 20C1 means 20 shift NCR 1. Then we will get 20.
Yes, sir.
Suppose 20C2. 20C2. How can you get 20C2? First, you should press 20, then shift, then NCR, then 2. Then you will get
Sir,
20.
190.
Okay, this is combination. C means combination. C means combination. Okay. Next question. If I ask you,
Sir.
calculate. Yeah.
Sir, you said the result will not be negative, but sir, P of x equals 0, this is 1, and P of x equal 1, this is 20. And after adding, it will
Why
21,
you-
and 1 minus 21, it's minus 20.
Oh, why you are not multiplying? You 20 with this one. You can see 20 into 0.41 to the power 1. 0.41 to the power means 0.41 into 1 minus 0.41. 1 minus 0.41 means what? Point. Why you are not saying? 59.
Oh, sorry, sir. I made a mistake that after NCX, I put plus. Sorry, sir.
Okay, 20 minus 1. 21 minus 20 minus 1 means what? 19. And calculate. Everybody calculate, please. Okay, 0.59 to the power 19 into 0.1 into 20. Then what you are getting? Tell me result. Please calculate. I don't know how much time you need. 0.59 to
Sir,
the power.
3.63 into 10 to the power minus 4.
Sorry.
3.63 into 10 to the power minus 4.
So 10 to the power minus 4 means what? 0.00 like this. Convert.
Yes, sir.
So please convert into this. Do not write to the power minus 4 or to the power 3 like that. In the exam, you should write down or convert into in decimal form. What? So what you are getting? 0.00?
Sir, I got 0.00004.
How many zero after decimal? How
So
many
3.
zero?
3, sir.
Then what you are
Then
getting?
4.
4. Okay. 4. Then you calculate previous one. So 1 minus, you already obtained the result. Probability of x equal to 0 here, probability of x equal to 1 there. Then 1 minus this, then you will get result. So tell me result. So please tell me result. Please tell me your result. What? Did you calculate or not? Did you calculate? Yes or no? I don't know how much time you need. You need just couple of seconds.
Sir, I forgot to calculate to decimal. Sir, can you please remember me or discuss?
Which one?
Sir, how to convert decimal from
I don't have
electric?
calculator. So how can I show you? Okay, so please try. I think it is possible. Okay, then you will get the result. Clear? Next question. So please try. The next question, suppose question C, calculate the probability that between between 2 to 4 adults have diploma degree or diploma, high school diploma, between 2 to 4. First one was at most 12. Second one, at least 2. Third one, between 2 to 4. So how can you write probability of 2 less than or equal x, then less than or equal to 4. Okay. The probability of x less than 2 means probability of x equal to 2 plus what? Probability of x equal to 3.
Sir, probability of x equal 3 plus probability of
Very
x equal
simple
4.
thing. Don't take it complicated. Now we
Less
should
than
calculate
2.
probability for x equal to 2. So what is the binomial distribution formula? NCX. N means 20. C, x is 2. X is 2. P to the power x. P is 0.41. P to the power x times 1 minus 0.41 to the power n minus x. 20 minus 2. Okay. In this way, can you calculate last 2? You can calculate or you cannot calculate. For x equal to 3 and for x equal to 4. Okay, then you will get your result. Okay. Okay, next question. What can you hear me?
Yes, sir, I can hear you.
Okay, so please read this question. In the 2013, please read this question.
In the 2013, Jerry's Artarama ART supplies catalog. There are 560 pages. 8 of the pages feature signature artist. Suppose we randomly sample 100 pages. Let x equal the number of pages that feature signature artist.
Okay, very good. Wait. So in this problem, how many total number of pages are how many?
506.
So 100
560.
pages. Sorry, 560 pages. 560 pages.
Okay, then 8 of the pages feature signature
Artist.
Okay. So how many pages feature signature artists? 8.
8
8 out of how many?
out
8
of
out of
560.
560.
So what is the proportion of probability? What is the proportion of probability? What is the proportion of probability? Because 8 out of 560. So 8 divided by 560. Clear? It's okay. What is the proportion? What is the
8 divided by
proportion?
560.
8 divided by 8 divided by
0.014.
0.014. Okay, this is the proportion or probability. Okay, or chance like this. Okay, then second one. Suppose we randomly sample 100 pages. So n equal to what? N equal to what?
100.
100. Very good. 100. What is your x variable name? What is the x variable name? Great. What is the x variable name?
The number of pages that
8.
teacher.
Okay. The number of pages that
Is
teacher.
that teacher signature artist?
Signature art.
First question. What values does x take on? X is a random variable. X takes the values what? The number of pages that teacher signature artists. Okay. So x equal to what? X equal to 0. Yes or no? Clear? What does x represent? X represent what?
0 to 8.
The number of
The number of
Sir,
pages
X,
that
sir,
signature
is
artist.
X representing the range of pages?
X means what? The number of pages that teacher signature artist. 8 of the
Yes, sir.
pages teacher signature artist. Okay. So how
Yes, sir.
many pages teacher signature artists? How
Sir, 8
many?
pages.
That's why X starts from 0, 1 to up to okay 8. Second question. What is the probability
Sir,
distribution?
0 to 8 is it sir 9, sir?
No, 0 to 8 because 8 up to 8. 8
Oh,
of the
okay,
pages.
sir.
That's all. What is the probability distribution? Find the following probabilities. Number, what is question B? What is the probability distribution? So because there are two outcomes. There are how many outcomes? Two outcomes.
Welcome.
One outcome is what? Whether pages feature signature artists or what?
Not
Pages
the
Not
the teacher.
signature not artist. Okay. So the random variable x follows binomial distribution. Which distribution? Binomial.
binomial
Binomial
distribution.
distribution.
Parameter p equal to 0.14014. Okay. Sorry. Np. N equal to what? 100. N equal to 100 Np. Np equal to 0.014. Okay. So finished. Binomial distribution NP. This is N, comma P like this. Okay. Okay. The next one, find the probabilities that the probability that two pages.
Sir, why
feature-
binomial distribution equal NP, sir? Is it expected? I can't understand, sir.
Mean value. This
Binomial
mean value and P.
distribution with parameter N and P. X follows binomial. Okay. Because two outcomes. Binomial BIN NP. N equal to NP. Okay. This is binomial distribution. N equal to 100, P equal to this one.
No, sir. Sir, my question was, sir, why you are calculating mean is there?
So where I am calculating mean?
Uh,
I didn't calculate mean. I am writing just distribution, nothing else. Okay. I am just calculating. I am just writing binomial distribution. I am writing it again. X follows binomial. What are the parameters? NP. N, comma, P. Clear? Okay.
He says that maybe sir the expected or mean value EX
No, no,
equal
no,
to
no.
NP.
No, that is another question. So here
yes,
I
sir.
am
Yes, sir. I
writing
thought that, sir.
binomial distribution. Now, did you get my point or
Okay,
not?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Then question A, probability that 2 pages feature signature artists. Okay, how can you get the 2 pages? That means first question, probability that x equal to 2. X equal to 2. Now can you calculate the probability? Can you calculate or not? NCX, n equal to what? 100. NCX, x equal to what? 2. P to the power x, p equal to what? P equal to
0.014.
0.014.
p to the power x, 1 minus 0.014 to the power n minus x. Clear? Then you will get this answer. Finished? Okay. Then next question, same last question. Using the formulas, calculate the mean. Calculate the mean. And second question, standard deviation. So what is the mean value of binomial distribution? Mean is what?
Equal to NP.
I said
Sir,
that.
equal B, mean equal NP.
Yes, very good. Mean equal to expected value EX. That
Equal to NP.
N equal to 100 into 100
0.014.
0.0 what? Sorry, 0.14. Okay. Can you calculate mean? Yes or no? No. Finished. Then standard deviation. Standard deviation SD equal to formula. What is the formula? Square root of.
Sir, 100 is the value of N and 0.014 is the value of P.
Yeah. That is the value.
That's mean 100 into 0.014.
Yes.
Okay,
That is
sir.
the formula of standard deviation, square root of NP times 1 minus P. Okay, square root of N equal to 100 times P equal to 0.014. Please calculate times 1 minus P. 1 minus 0.0 what? 1 4. That's it. Okay. Okay. Yes or no? After calculation, you result this one. You will get mean equal to 1.42 and standard deviation 1.18. Okay. Yes or no? If I tell you variance, if I ask you question variance, so variance equal to what? Sigma square. If you just standard deviation square, then you will get the what? Variance. Clear? How can you get the variance? How can you get the variance?
Sir, sigma square, that means the as standard deviation square.
Yeah.
We have to
Variance is
get.
what? Standard deviation square. Clear? So please remember the mean value and variance of binomial distribution. Okay. So everybody please practice this one. I already shared this link through your messenger. So you can also visit that website to get the problems and solution. But you should practice more and more so that you can minimize your time in your final exam, as well as you can get correct answer. Okay, so please response please. Serial 1 present. Ashur 2.
Yes, sir.
3. Naim. Dolon. Ismail.
Yes, sir.
Salman.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Anis.
Anis Rozum, yes, sir.
Hassan.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, Tokir.
Sir, one present, sir.
Oh,
Sir, Toki is present, sir.
okay. And